Hey guys, this is BT broadband extension. BT broadband extension. Connect it here. Broadband extension. It's from BT. You connect this up. One will be upstairs, the other one will be downstairs. It's to connect your TV. It works by, you won't have cable. It's a mini connector. So the essence of this is if you connect it to the main hub, and this one you take it downstairs to where the TV is, so that you'll be able to get your TV broadband working as usual without running a long cable in the middle of the house. So this is a very handy BT mini broadband connector. It's a mini connector. Okay, this is BT mini connector. BT mini connector. This is BT mini connector. You connect this cable to the router, okay? Then take this one and connect it to the TV downstairs, okay? Then you don't need to use a cable. So this is the essence of it. It stops you having cable. This is BT mini connector. I thought to show you what you need in case if cable is running along your lounge area. So you just ask the BT to provide you this mini connector. You use it to connect your TV, and it's easy and handy. Okay, this is what you need, mini connector. This product is from BT British Telecom. Okay, thank you.